Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Aditya and in this video we are going to talk about lane detection techniques. Lane detection is a crucial step in understanding how technology interacts with our roads. From autonomous vehicles to advanced driver assistance systems, it all starts here. Today we are comparing two powerful techniques for lane detection using OpenCV, sliding windows and Hough Transform. Stick around to see how they differ and where each one shines. First, let's explore sliding windows. This method involves scanning sections of the road image using a window-like structure, aiming to detect lane boundaries with precision. It's especially effective for identifying curved or dynamic lanes. While sliding windows offer great accuracy, it has its challenges. It can be computationally intensive and may require pre-processing to optimize results. And now if I have got you curious about how this works in detail, I've already made a complete tutorial on sliding windows and the link will be in the description below. Next, let's dive into Hough Transform. This classic technique identifies straight lines in an image by converting the spatial data into a parameterized form. It's fast, lightweight, and easy to implement. However, it's not without its limitations. The Hough transform is best suited for straight lane lines and might struggle with curves or highly noisy inputs. So, here's a quick recap. Sliding windows excel in scenarios requiring precision and can handle curves effectively, but it demands more computational power and your time while you are programming it. Meanwhile, the Hough transform is a straightforward and ideal for quick projects or when working with simpler lanes or simpler lane geometries. I hope this quick comparison helps you understand the strengths of both techniques. I've already covered sliding windows in detail. Check out the link in the description for step-by-step guide. And if you'd like me to create a full tutorial on Hough Transform for lane detection, let me know in the comments. Your feedback drives my content, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.